dirty couch. Right? I'm a bit slow today because I'm under the weather, but alright, ready for the lift up and we'll see now. Probably gross. This is why I didn't do that before. And done. Wow. Okay, I think I went to the beach and like didn't know it or something. Let's see this side.
This is my new Bissell 3508 series vacuum cleaner I got for $50. It doesn't have, I had a Bissell before and it had a dial right here where you could do low, medium, and high carpet, but it seems to have pretty good suction. I just did this small section here and I got that much hair. I have 4 pets, so here, let me give you a little demonstration. It's got pretty good suction. Sucking up the hair. Yes, that's a stain. I'll have to get out. Let me see what I can do here. Got it out pretty nicely. So, it only has one setting for the carpet length, but about it is it's very lightweight and the hose isn't very long. to take off, but it's got a pretty long cord here. So as you can see, well, that was from my old Bissell. Some debris. I tried to fix it, but there was a part broken inside. So there's that. You just pop this off for cleaning, and then open the little thing on the bottom right here. You just push that button, and then it pops open, and you just dump it in the trash. So overall, I mean, for $50, it's seems to be a pretty good vacuum. It has 2 attachments, and that you know stay on, and that's it. My new Bissell.
Okay, this is a top view on how to empty the small cup in the top of this Bissell here. So you take this off first. This is to empty the bottom part here, and you simply hold this over your trash can and press this button here. It drops the red part down, and out comes that part. And then for the cup in here that you want to remove, you're going to lift this up, this little tab here on the handle. And then it opens up, and then you pull this out, and now you have the cup there. And you just pull this right off, and a lot of times you'll have hair twisted around here and all kinds of debris in here. Usually I do this over the trash, but I didn't have that much in here. And then you just empty it, kind of twist that back on, and then here's kind of the tricky part, is getting this back in just right. And there's like little grooves right here, so you just kind of try to set this in, these little bits, set it right in. If you don't have it right, the lid won't close properly. You'll hear that click. Also, this little filter here does come out, and you can hand wash it. I usually just rinse it out repeatedly under clear water, maybe use a little bit of soap, squeeze it like a sponge, squeeze it out, put it outside in the sun to dry for a day, and it's good to go. And that's it. I hope this was helpful for you.
Bissell CleanView Compact Vacuum. Let's go. everything is stored nicely, I think. We'll find out. Everything was stored nicely. Okay. It sits upright at about 42 inches and, well, yeah. Seems snazzy. You also have this top here that I cannot get out anymore. Oh, wait, wrong side. That you can easily and then you put your accessories at the end of this. That didn't stay in because I didn't lock it. There's a lock right there. So everything locks into place. And then we got cat food on a rug. Just by hearing it, this thing's really powerful. So I'm gonna go vacuum.
Hi guys, today we are going to review Bissell CleanView model 3508 vacuum cleaner. So let's open this one. Okay, there's the instruction note here and let's have a look. Okay, here's the brush. Okay, I'm going to disassemble this one, so let's go.
Making a video for this review.
So this is awesome. My vacuum pooped out, so we got this one, and all I did was vacuum this rug right here, okay? Look at that. And I mean, I just vacuumed yesterday. That's how bad the last vacuum was and how good this sucks up, okay? I love it.
There it is. Only issue is right here. This little piece right here. You see that opening? It's pretty much it, but I mean it's designed like that, so I think that works well.
Oh my God. Look at my carpet. Oh, brand new. Take hold. Oh no, that's holds out the carpet.
Light and compact, easy to use, easy storage.